Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mimbar Karunia Lestari from B class. In this video, I will give you explanation about ICT and e-learning, catalyst for innovation and quality in higher education. Universities have to adapt the service they provide and their content because they cannot ignore the societal trends related to the information and communication technologies due to the fact that one of the required skills in our current era is technological literacy. The change in higher education institution doesn't depend exclusively on these technologies, but more on the human resources and how they can approach and use all the new technologies and e-learning possibilities. ICT and e-learning can enhance the quality of higher education through innovative methods by increasing the students' motivation, interest, and engagement by facilitating the acquisition of skill and by enhancing teacher training, which will eventually improve communication and exchange of information. Okay, first is about ICT, the importance of the information and communication technologies. Information and communication technologies, or ICT, are changing the society and the economy, so it cannot be expected that education and training should not be affected. Through many applications of information and communication technologies that can presently be observed do not substantially change the conventional teaching habit. When technology use is integrated in broader innovation effort, its potential to stimulate, accompany, and amplify change is enormous. The phrase information and communication technology has been used since the 19th and 18th by academic researchers, but become more popular after 1997, after it appeared in a governmental report in UK. The importance of ICT depends more on the ability to create greater access to information and communication than the technology itself. Information and communication technologies for development rely on advances in technologies, but also it is necessary to some social sector important for community development, such as agriculture, healthcare, poverty, and education. Next is about quality, certification, and excellence in e-learning. E-learning is the use of electronic media, educational technology, and ICT in education. The term e-learning is taken from Anglo-Saxon literature. According to Oxford Dictionaries, e-learning is defined as a learning conducted via electronic media, typically on the internet. Successful e-learning depends on the self-motivation of individuals to study effectively. E-learning includes numerous types of media that deliver text, audio, image, animation, and streaming video, and includes technology, application, and process such as audio or video tape, satellite TV, CD-ROM, and computer-based learning, as well as local intranet or extranet, and web-based learning. There are several benefits of e-learning, such as save time and cost, or the possibility of learning 24/7 anywhere. For many students, e-learning is the most convenient way to pursue a degree in higher education. A lot of these students are attracted to a flexible, self-paced method of education to attain their degree. So, what is innovation and quality in higher education through ICT and e-learning? Okay, let me explain to you. Globalization and technological change are one of the main goals of ICT. One of the main sectors that should be changed and modified is education in general and higher education in particular. All the new information and communication technologies are changing the learning process in higher education. The process of education using ICT can be classified in e-learning, blended learning, and distant learning. The various kind of ICT product available and having relevance to education such as teleconferencing, email, audio conferencing, television listen, radio broadcast, interactive radio counseling, interactive voice response system, audio cassettes, and CD-ROMs have been used in education for different purposes. Okay guys, this is my video presentation about ICT and e-learning. I hope this video will help you more understand about what is ICT and what is e-learning. Okay, thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.